Here we are in the residence of the Ferrans. We've been holed up for 2 days.
Hi.
We've lost power multiple times, and we are going to take you out into the storm, Faye, which is causing havoc, where Snoop cannot take a poop. Snoop's got to poop really bad, but he's unable. As we move outward towards the eye of the storm, we're going to venture out now into the actual storm itself. Please, its wind is really high, and we're out here. As you can see, it's very rainy, and lots of debris on the ground. Debris everywhere. We're just trying to stay. Broken limbs. Snoop Dogg still trying to find a way out to take a poop. And whoa, the big gust now is coming. Oh, I'm trying to hold on, but oh, big gust of wind and rain. And Marty is on location. Whoa! It's coming down even harder now. As you can see, it's huge amounts of rain. Swimming pools, flooding. And there's the lovely Rachel staying warm. Oh my God, it's blowing people all over the place. This is very dangerous. Very dangerous. Don't try this in California. As you can see now, whoa, more rain and wind. And we really wanted to get out there, but as you can see, we're kind of held up. So we're going to let the storm pass. Hopefully we'll be okay. And Marty, we'll see you soon. All right, email Jimmy.
You're placing that, you said you're a little annoyed, you kind of wish that some of the problem could be fixed. Yes, I'm annoyed. This should have been taken care of years ago. I mean, like I said, for 30 years I know it's not good. This is what he's talking about. They need to build it up. This is what I'm looking at. The state, before the state board wants to come out and build it up, because it's not in their time. They can build it up, and I think that will, help out a little bit. That would be something.
All right, Tony, that's your suggestion. Tony said build it up. We assume the retention pond.
Pooping.